Here are some life hacks you shouldn't be living without any longer. If your t-shirt has those hideous loosey-goosey wrinkles, fold it like so and wrap a rubber band around it. Boil the tip in hot water and no more loose neck nightmares. Once your phone case starts turning yellow, add toothpaste, dish liquid, salt with vinegar, and water. Give it a good scrub and let it soak for as long as you're willing to wait. Pull it out, and if that case doesn't look brand spanking new, then you just need a new case. Slice up a sponge in perfect rectangles, fold it up like so, and secure it with a rubber band. Shove some old chopsticks in the center, and you now have a perfect cup cleaner that attacks the creases. When your scissors get dull, cut up some aluminum foil, and that will sharpen them up in seconds. Place your onion in the freezer a couple of hours before meal preparation to avoid crying eyes during cutting. Loop a zip tie through your tape roll. You now suddenly have your own tape holder. If gum gets stuck into your clothes, don't panic. Apply ice to the gum and wait for the gum to harden, then peel that sucker right off. Place a lemon into the pot when boiling eggs, and you will now be able to peel the shell off with ease. Toss a plastic bag into the dryer with your freshly washed clothes to catch all of the hair and lint. Cut a slice of whatever you have available in half. Place a match inside of it, dippity-dip it inside of melted wax, let it dry, and you now have a quick, disposable candle. Use a bottle to perfectly remove egg yolks from the white. Slide a half-cut bottle onto your bag of goods, fold the bag over, and use it for a perfect pour and secure storage. Here's how you can get a perfect pancake every time. Break a chopstick in half, set it inside of the batter, and just simply turn. Place eggshells, salt with vinegar, and water into your blender and blend it up for a super deep clean. For loose shoestrings, cut a small piece of straw and slide it onto the shoestring, then melt it down with a lighter for a fresh shoestring tip. Take a plastic hanger and chop off the bottom half for a quick paper towel holder. Slice a water bottle in half from the top. Now place your towels or smaller clothing inside of them for more space. If your spoon breaks and no stores are open, just wrap some bottle plastic around it and pour hot water over it until it seals. Continue cooking like nothing happened. If you can't get shells out of your eggs, dip your finger in some garlic and you'll be able to grab it easily. To make this homemade projector with your phone, wrap the bottom of the cup in aluminum foil. Tape the cup sideways to a box of your choice. Now, place your phone sideways on a stand next to the cup with your favorite show playing and enjoy your new projector. To avoid spilling food when separating water, stick a toothpick in the wedge of the pot top for a smooth pour and no waste. If you ever forget your knife, glue a razor blade onto a popsicle stick, then glue a second popsicle stick on top of it. You now have a 2-minute knife. If tape gets stuck on your paper, don't rip it off. Just pull on both ends of the tape that aren't attached to the paper and voila. Give a quick tug on your gloves before putting them on for a snug fit. If you forgot your soap dish, press a bottle top into the bottom of the soap to prevent messy puddles. Test your garlic in a bowl of olive oil. If it turns green, that means that the garlic is bad. Zip tie a spoon to your plant feeder for a consistent, even pour. Add a stick in the bottom of your potato before shredding to save your little fingers from cuts. For an emergency spare key, heat up your original key and press it against a piece of plastic to get the imprint. Next, cut out the imprint of the key using a bottle or similar material. You now have an emergency spare key. Dump some liquid cement into a container of your choice. Place some Amazon wheels carefully into the cement. Let it dry and remove the cement from the container. You now have a durable outdoor dolly.